In this video, we will learn how to find equation of a line which is given in graphical form. Say for example, we have a line which is given to us. This is a line. Now we have to find the equation of this line. So we on the Cartesian plane. Now one way of finding this is that we take all the points, plot a table, put them into a table and then try to fit into an equation which gives us the line. But there is a systematic method of doing the same thing, and that is, first we need to understand that the format is for finding a line is y equal to mx plus c. And what is, first of all, let us handle this c. C is the constant. C is the numerical value in the equation, which is the constant. And any equation which is passing through the origin, C is 0. So any equation like this is equation 1. For this equation, because it is passing through the origin, so C is 0. And M is that we should take the ratio of this. So if this is 2 units and this is 2 units, so M is ratio of y coordinate over x coordinate. So in this case it is 2 and 2. So in this case it is 2 over 2, which is equal to 1. So the equation will become y is equal to m is 1 x, and because it is passing through the origin, so it is 0. So the equation is y equal to x. Suppose this is a line which is like this, line which is parallel to this, but at a distance of 3 units from y, from the origin. So in this case, whatever is the point at which this line is cutting the y-axis, the value of c will be that. So c will, in this particular case, so this is number 2 equation. This was number 1. So for equation number 2, c is equal to 3, and m will be still the same. It will again, we will take the value like this. So c is 3, and therefore the equation will become 1 into x plus 3. And suppose the equation is like this, and it is passing from, this is minus 3. It is intersecting y at minus 3. So the equation will become y equal to 1 into x minus 3, which is equal to y x minus 3. So let us understand, this is m, which is the ratio of y coordinate divided by x coordinate, and c is the intersection of the line on the y-axis. The intersection of the line on the y-axis and its coordinate at that point is c. So in this case it is 0, in this case it was plus 3, in this case it was minus 3. So now let us see one more example. And let us see now a different line which is like this, which is passing through the origin like this. So we have y equal to mx plus c. So in this case again c is 0, because it is passing through this, and this is 2 and this is 2. But in this case, the x coordinate is minus 2. So m will be equal to 2 divided by minus 2. So this will become minus 1. So this will become y is equal to minus x plus 0, or y equal to minus x. Then if there is an equation which is like this, which is passing at 2 units, so this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Again, this ratio will be same, so m will be same, but c will be different. C will be this much. So this will become, for equation number 2, it will become y equal to minus x, and because this is plus 2, it will become plus 2. And the equation which is passing like this, suppose this is passing at 3 units, and in this case it is y and y dash. So for 3 it will become y equal to minus x minus 3. So what we have learned, that it is always possible to find equation if a line is given in a graphical form, and we can find that by first determining the constant, that is the intersection the line has on the y-axis, and that is the value. The intersection point gives us the value. And second thing is finding the m, or this is also called slope of the line, or this is the ratio between the y coordinate and x coordinate, the angle at which this line gives us is there, and at the ratio which this line gives us. So in this case it is 2 and this is minus 2. So all these three lines are having the same ratio because they are parallel to each other. So m is same for all these three lines, but the constant is different. So substituting the value of m and c, we can find the equation. Summarizing, the another method is that we can substitute. We can first find the table of say few points for that equation, and then try to fit a particular equation into it, but that is slightly tedious method. So the best method is that we apply y is equal to mx plus c. Although there may not be many questions on this in the examination, but it is useful to learn this thing. Thank you.